we do this again?
Maybe. And nothing happens from this.
I won't tell Hannah. Give me kissies. Was it good sex?
Yeah, it was.
Good sex?
I don't have a problem with hookups.
You have a problem with hookups? What?
It's not what you forgot.
I mean, would Hannah really be mad? It was the first night you guys were together.
Would you?
I'd kill you.
Hey,
Whatever. I mean, obviously it's all...
I didn't help you out, so you can be happy, and then what do? Fuck me over royally, that's it. Go.
Don't tell me how to drive. It's not a big deal. It's just sex. Have you had sex with her yet?
No.
Then why do you fucking care? At least you're getting some. Whatever. See, don't be mad. What? It's already happened twice. So why can't it happen again?
It's the last time.
You haven't slept with her yet, right?
No.
Then why does it matter?